Okay, so first step, factor as much as you can. Okay, remember, all the zeros create things on the x-axis. The numerator is going to help create the x-intercepts because you can divide by 0. So if you create a 0 in the numerator, you're an x-intercept. But the denominator, you can't divide by 0. So this will be a point of discontinuity, a hole or a vertical asymptote. So nothing divides out, so I know there's no holes. So I know the 0, the excluded value here, when y is 0, if we solve, we get a vertical asymptote at -2. The top, my x-intercept though, if I do x minus 3 equals 0, so when y is 0, x is 3, we have an x-intercept at 3. Alright, so that's all the information I can get from the factors. Now, remember, the horizontal asymptote has to do with the degree. So the m is 1, the n is 1, so the horizontal asymptote will be the leading coefficients, a over b, so -1/4. And then the y-intercept, I'm going to take the function and replace x with 0. And I get -3 on top, -4 times 0 is 0, minus 8. Negative divided by negative is a positive, so I get 3/8. Alright, so I'm going to plot my actual points that are part of the graph. So 3, 0, and then 3/8, or 0, 3/8, I mean. And then I like using a different color. You don't have to. I have a vertical asymptote at -2, I mean. The horizontal asymptote at -1/4. Okay, so now remember it's the sketching part. So I'm either going to sketch above and follow the horizontal and vertical asymptote, or below. I'm not really sure over here, so I'm going to plug in a point, actually. So I'm going to take the original equation and replace the x with anything smaller than -2. Just replace your x value. So I'm going to just do, let's just do -3. Okay, so -3 minus 3 is -6. -4 times -3 is +12. 12 minus 8 is 4, so I'm going to have -3/2, which is 1.5, right? So at -3, I'll be -3/2 right there. So then I know I follow the asymptote underneath. And then because I already have points, I know that I follow this one from above. And I'm done.